Okay, so not only me, but also if someone else who wants to use my model, it can also import it directly and use it for inference. That's why this push to hub is used, right? And we also will see that how to import it and how to use it, right? So our training is completed, and the training loss was firstly 0.79. It was very bad at prediction, and validation was 0.30. Accuracy was 91%, and the F1 score was 91.5%. In the second epoch, the training loss training loss got to 24%, and validation loss got to 21%, and the accuracy we got is 92%. In the logistic regression, when we only trained the first header, we got the accuracy of 63%. In the comparison of which this accuracy is way better. Okay, so this is how we fine tune a transformer, right? And in the prediction output, let's just see it, the metrics, the form of metrics. Come on. Okay, so the test loss was this 21%. Again, test accuracy was 92%. Okay, so again, it is the same thing as this validation loss. Okay, because we are trainer pre.pd, we are encoding the validation also. You can also do it on actually test. We have also test dataset, right? In which we can calculate the metrics. Let's see how much is its accuracy there. 22% accuracy, so 22% loss and 0.22 loss, and then accuracy is 91%. F1 score is 91%, which is actually very good than the previous feature extraction training, right? Now what we are going to do, let's again see the confusion matrix, that what do we have now. Okay, so as you can see that this time sadness is being given as sadness, like this time the matrix is not being concentrated anywhere, but it is also, it's very better than before. Okay, true level should be sadness, and 31% time it has given sadness. Okay, 35 times it gave a joy. Okay, so this is the error because of our data set, because data set was not balanced, because of which most of the things are being given as joy, even if they were not joy, right? That is why that gives us the advice to get a better data set, more data on the other emotions, right? Okay, so this is how we train our model. Okay, so and actually this is being verified. Okay, so after joy, sadness was highest, after that the anger was highest, and surprise was actually lowest, right? So even if it is surprise, only 4% times it is being the label of surprise, right? So this was the thing, this is the thing that because in the surprise we have very less data, so it does not know what is surprise and what is not surprise. Even if it is surprise, it is given 41% times that it is joy, right? So so this is the thing that we need to understand, we need to take care of while taking the data. Now we are going to save and share our model. Okay, so this is trainer push data. I'm not going to run this command because I've already pushed this to my hub. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, okay, now how this will be pushed to your Hugging Face hub? It will be pushed to your Hugging Face hub because at the starting you gave it your login credentials, right? So because of which it can do that. Okay, now from transformers import pipeline, import pandas as PD, and model ID is this. In your Hugging Face hub, this is my username S4G4R. If you will run this command, then on your username S4 whatever your username will be, and after that whatever your model name is, right, it will be stored as with that name on your Hugging Face hub. Okay, so I'm going to import that model, but this is the model ID and this is the classifier pipeline text classification model is equal to ID. I'm going to use this classifier as this of this model. I'm going to use this model as a classifier, right, to get new inferences. Okay, so now it's downloading that model. This is a new model that we have trained. This was pushed to hub, and now we are downloading it to use it to our custom text. Okay. So here we have a custom tweet that is, hi, today I'm very happy because I had a good exam. So let's see what type of classification it does there, right? So it is giving us our score with labels, but it is not showing that what label it is. Like label one, it is giving the highest score, but it didn't tell us that what is the label one. Okay. So what we did for here, we again use a matplotlib library and we put a bar chart to see what is it. Okay, so hi, today I'm very happy because I had a good exam. For this, we have a higher score of joy, right? So that was it. That was our fine tuning the DistilBERT classifier. I hope you liked it a lot. I don't know if you liked it or not, but I hope I was able to make you understand how the things work and how can you train your own. Like you can take another classifier, like wrong, probably you should try it with somewhat a balanced type of data set to see the difference, right? Okay, so that was all from my side. Thank you.